Hey everybody, check this out. In this video, we're going to be unboxing some tools that were sent over to us from NorthSky Tools. We're going to be checking out these tools. Let me give you a little bit of a background about NorthSky. We ran into them at the LA Build Expo 2025 and we liked them. We instantly clicked. They were a great little company and they told us about their business, and they said, hey look, we're a mom and pop company. We're offering high quality tools at affordable prices, like some of the best prices you can get. So if you go to their website, you should check them out and see if there's something that you want to try out. Now, they told me, hey, we're going to send you out some tools. We want you to try them out. Let us know what you think. So this isn't one of those videos where I'm sitting here trying to bank a bunch of money or something on sales or stuff like that. That's not what this is about. This is just about me sharing some tools and some product with you guys that I think are pretty decent, and they're not some huge name brand tools, like, you know what I'm talking about, but they're high quality and they're pretty decent tools. You should check them out right there, NorthSkySupply.com. Now when you go to their website, at the end of this video there's going to be a code for a discount for you. Hope you enjoyed the video.
I'm going to set my blade, boom, halfway, so I cut through. I'm not going to harm anything inside. Yeah, that feels nice. I'll tell you right now, that's nice. Here we go. All right, what do we got here? This is already looking nice. Blade. Let's open this up right here. Wait, we got two boxes going on here. All right. So here we are. Look, Black Canyon by NorthSky Tools. Now this right here, this is a lasering device, laser distance measuring tape. So we got a laser distance meter right here. We'll see how accurate that is. We're gonna check all this stuff out. We'll do different videos throughout just to see these things, but right now I'm just doing a quick unboxing. So we got that. What else we got? Oh, wow. We got a whole set right here. Black Canyon. Look at this. Just gonna give that a little slice here with this nice utility knife. Now, right now, just offhand opening this stuff up, I can tell it feels like quality. It doesn't feel cheap. It doesn't feel like I got it, you know, at some of these other places where as soon as you open it up, it just feels really cheap. This does not feel that way at all. This feels like quality. Quality tools right here. See how durable that is? Look, we got drivers. We got all our tips right here, Phillips, different numbers. We got all our star security bits. We got all our bits. We even have this little drill, you know, some little drill bit set. We got our flatheads all the way up to a big flathead. That's pretty nice. We have our drivers in this kit as well. This is great for sockets. This is a great kit right here.
A really cool thing about this kit is that you can throw a bunch of extra stuff in there that didn't even come with the kit. Why? Because it's nice and thick. You know, all the other boxes and kits that you get like this are just a little thinner. Most of them aren't as thick as this. And you know, we all throw a bunch of stuff that doesn't belong in there, like I just did. And this box still opens and closes really nice. It's a cool little kit right here.
All right. It's the best birthday gift. All right, so here, got some wrenches. We'll take all those out, all by Black Canyon. Black Canyon, and we bought them, or we didn't buy them, but we were gifted them through NorthSky Tools. There we go. These are all NorthSky products. Look at this. We got a nice pair of pliers right here. Wow. Look at this. Got a pair of vice grip pliers there, locking pliers. We got screwdrivers. This is a driver, 1/4 inch driver. flathead. Just a plethora of hand tools here. Look at this, pair of linemen's. Oh, that's nice. Oh yeah. What do you got? A little square. Oh, that's a nice square. Simple. It's really lightweight. It's a light gauge steel or aluminum, you can tell, but it's very lightweight.
Here's a few things I love about a speed square, and this is just basic carpentry. You can use it as a straight edge to cut a 90-degree angle, to cut a 45-degree angle, to really cut any angle. You can use it as a straight edge. You can clamp it down, and when you're using it like this, your cuts will come out so clean.
Square right there. Look at all these hand tools. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Plethora of stuff. Look at this C-clamp. We got a tape down here in the bottom. Yes. Check out this 25-footer right here. It comes with a little lanyard. Looks like a nice little tape right there. It has good feel. You pull it, good return. Oh, this is great. Okay, what else we got? Let's pull this out. So we got this box. I had all these hand tools and stuff in there. We got some gloves. We got some protection here, safety gear. What is this? Oh, cool. Oh, look at this. That's pretty cool. These little hard hats. Bottle openers. I like that, by NorthSky. Maybe we'll do some deal. We'll give out some of these. These are fun. Look at that. They gave us a whole bag. Yeah, thanks, NorthSky. We're going to hook you up. We're going to pass those out. Some gloves. Safety glasses. Nice. Tinted sunglasses. Safety glasses. Some packaging. All right, what is this? Oh, cool. Set that to there we go. Okay. Now this is a cool little box here. I like this. Cool little toolbox. Got an inner tray. Nice, simple. Now this is cool if you're just starting out or you want to just have some hand tools. I know everybody wants to have all the fancy toolboxes there are, but this is a nice, simple little toolbox. It has good quality to it. Feels nice. Feels rugged. The hinges look good. Everything looks good here. Got a little. I do like these. You can run some little, your little screws in there and things that you need quick access to. I'm gonna load this toolbox up with all the stuff they gave us. All right, last thing here. Let's set our blade depth one more time. Look at that. Nice. What do we see? Thank goodness we set our blade depth because there was this pouch right below that. If I would have went in any deeper, I would have sliced this pouch. Cool. Black Canyon by NorthSky.
This is a combination wrench pouch. This pouch can hold all your combination wrenches, and it's really cool because it rolls up and it's really nice, and it has a handle on it once you roll it up, which is really awesome. And the wrenches are really high quality. So if you want to get yourself one, remember, NorthSkySupplies.com. Don't forget that discount code in the back.
Ouch. Look at this. Yes. Here we go. Got a nice little...
This is a cool little mallet. As you can see, it works really good. It's got the sand in the head, and it works great.
What else we got? Ball pin hammer right here. There we go. Going in the toolbox. That feels like good quality 24 ounce. It's a nice little ball pin hammer by NorthSky. There we go. Some more stuff to fill up the toolbox with. Got some 10 snips. These are great. 10-inch. Let's see what else we got here. Yeah, now we're talking. That's a wrench. Anybody need a wrench? It's a wrench. That feels really, 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 really lightweight. And I like how big the handle is, because when you're racking on something big, you want to have a nice solid handle. And that's what this is offering right here. Look at that. That's really great. Yes. It's got the measurements right here. Good to go. Just keeps getting better here. All right. Look at these pliers. Look at this. You can lock it, slide it open. That, you can lock it on a different size, so it doesn't slip on you. That's really great. Can't wait to try that out. Cool. What else we got here? Got another. Some simple wrenches. We got some bigger wrenches. Different size wrenches here. Yes. Those are looking slick. Yes, they are. Oh, those are beautiful. Look at that, by NorthSky. Those are gorgeous. Black Canyon tools. NorthSky. What we got here? Last but not least, we got a bar clamp. 12-inch bar clamp. Wow, NorthSky. Thank you. This is really, just really amazing. I don't even know what to say.
While these are a bunch of really awesome tools, I'm going to fit them all in this toolbox right here. And, you know, this is a really cool little company. If you want to give them a chance and you want to get some affordable, good quality tools, go to NorthSkySupply.com. They have the best prices in town, and their products are really good quality. I mean, if you were to have these tools in your hand right now, you'd see what I'm saying. They're high quality tools, and I think you're going to like them. And don't forget, we hooked you up with a little discount code. It's on the end of this video. Don't forget to use that when you check out at NorthSkySupplies.com. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy the video.